welcome back to the Crabtree Life, and for today's video we are going to a birthday party.
Two birthday parties.
Two birthday parties.
Just one.
Yes, we are going to birthday parties, and it's a little bit chilly, but thank God there's sun. So here's my outfit. There's Parker, and there's Rodney with Hunter.
There's no barbecue.
So we are going to Harrisburg, which is like 45 to 50 minutes away from home. And after that, we are going to another birthday party, but it's gonna be in the afternoon.
Yeah, Pirate Pete's.
Pirate Pete's. Ah, it's like chalk and cheese. Local type of chalk and cheese.
Buckle up, baby. I'll hold the camera. What's up, guys? My face looks orange.
Orange. No, it's not. Maybe it's just the lightning.
I don't know. It looks orange to me. About to get a tan in a couple weeks. Philippines, baby.
Me too.
Here,
2 more
I gotta drive.
weeks. 2 more weeks, guys.
A little over 2
And
more weeks.
yeah, something like that.
And 9.
That's why I said 2 more weeks.
Plus a few days.
And 10 days until my birthday.
Yes, and 10 days until Parker's birthday. He's gonna be 9 years old.
Parker's not gonna have a birthday party here. He's gonna have a birthday party in the Philippines. So.
Yes. The last time that I met Parker, the first time I met Parker, he was 5 years old. He's turning 6, and now he's 9. Oh my gosh, time passes by really, really fast. I know we have Hunter. He's turning 1 in a couple of, like, 6 months from now. Or no, not 6 months.
Like 9 months.
9 months from now. So, oh my gosh. And then who knows if we're gonna have a baby.
What?
No. I'm just kidding.
Maybe in the future we'll try for a daughter.
Yes.
I've been wanting a daughter.
You mean a sister?
Yeah.
He's been wanting a
I
daughter.
hope you don't want a daughter. I don't want to be no grandpa. Not yet.
Oh my gosh, I forgot to bring me my lipstick. You should go back.
You'll be alright.
We should go back.
No.
I'm just kidding.
You look good. Tell her she looks alright without her lipstick.
Yeah.
I want a sister.
Okay.
I've been wanting one for a long time.
Well, you have to wait on that.
You need to tell your mom.
We're not
She
ready.
can't have no more babies.
Okay.
But she will wig out if she does.
Oh, she wants one? She wants a daughter?
No, she'll wig out if she gets another.
Should be mad, he said.
Oh, she'll be mad. Okay.
She's already having trouble with Abel.
Abel's his other little brother from his mom.
He smeared
Not from me, from his mom.
He smeared ranch dressing on the big TV and all over the table.
Tell them what Abel did yesterday.
He's dead.
That he smeared ranch dressing all over the big TV and all over the table. Everywhere.
Someone's in trouble. But okay, guys, it's gonna be a long trip for Rodney and for all of us here. So I might be sleeping on the way, since it's my favorite job inside the car, sleeping. Okay, guys, catch you later.
Catch you a little while.
Yep.
Right.
So hi guys, we are here at the bowling alley right there.
Uh-oh, the theme of the birthday party is Beauty and the Beast. We didn't wear any Beauty and the Beast stuff. I could have came as a candlestick.
Oh. Han, the light is in the Swiss, Han.
He's fine. It's like down here. It ain't up there.
There's Ryan.
Right.
He can't hear you. We're going inside now, guys. Look at that. That's pretty neat. Hey, girl.
Where's my pretty smile? Don't you smile at me? Get your tongue in there. I'm gonna get it. You're fine, guy. Violet,
And there's Dada.
Say what's up. Say what's up.
My little army man.
Baby. What you doing? We're filming each other. Alright guys, they're getting ready for bowling.
my name's up there.
The name's up there, you just can't see it.
My name's up there. Is it mine was recipe?
See Parker's names, he's second guys. Guys, we have Parker's bowling skills. What kind of skills you got, buddy? Where's it at? Oh! What do you got, Parker? Almost. 2 left. You broke it. Oh, go, go. Good job. Parker got a spare. Hey, Parker, let her have a turn.
I get to go. One more, buddy.
One more, buddy. Oh, you about got them all, bud. There's the little cute family.
I bet it's a good thing.
Look at Harley. Harley's just devouring that cupcake. Hold on.
To you, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Violet. Happy birthday to you. Hi, Munchkin. What's wrong?
He wants his mommy.
Parker scored the highest, guys. I think he scored 75 right here. But let's go back to this mini munchkin here. Are you a munchkin? Huh?
I'm a munchkin, mommy.
Are you a munchkin?
I'm a half Filipino munchkin.
Hunter, are you a munchkin? Hunter, are you a munchkin? You want cupcake or a cake? Huh?
What are they using all that for?
Huh?
What are they using all that for?
What are they eating?
Here's something to eat.
Okay, you? Okay.
What's in those little bitty trays?
I'm not sure. I'm not really sure. There's gooey stuff right here.
You got it.
You want cake or cupcake?
I want a cake.
Okay, yeah, that's for Dad. Here. Hunter, you want some? You want somebody?
What do you eat my cake? No?
Hi, Violet.
Hi, Violet.
Violet, say hi.
Violet, I think you're eating my cake. That's your cake.
Daddy and daughter and mommy. What'd she get? Dress? Oh, there's her presents.
Hi guys, so we are going to the second birthday party. I changed outfit because it's kind of cold outside. I am wearing black top from Old Navy and clothes from a local brand, which I forgot the name of the brand. And then what do you call this? Parisian footwear that I have since 2015, which is really nice because until this very moment it still fits me and I'm still using it. So yes guys,
Just the cheese one, right? Do you want to tear it apart and get one both?
Happy birthday to you. I'm not.
What kind of cupcakes do you guys want?
Chocolate. White. Chocolate.
caught you. Munchkin is sleeping. The munchkin is sleeping.
Oh, I smell it.
Here's here while you do.
Like a sour
It's on the back. Oh my god, that was so quick. I know, right? I was like, I'm gonna go there. Yeah, I was like, seriously. I was just like this. I was thinking I thought you were.
Oh my goodness.
I don't have it.
You don't?
I don't have it.
Oh, I know. Well, we can take it back and get something else.
It's a different one.
Well, you could do double rings,
Do you
couldn't
have those
you?
wrestlers
that talk to it?
Yeah.
Oh, I think you could do double ring. Set them both up.
And then one in